This is a final video to fix VLC Media Player audio and video lag on Android devices. Are you struggling because VLC keeps showing videos out of sync with the sound delayed or choppy? This usually happens because the app's cache gets overloaded, hardware acceleration causes conflicts, or the media file format isn't handled properly by VLC. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to dive into complicated settings or reinstall multiple apps, which can be frustrating and time-consuming. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes audio and video lag quickly and smoothly in just a few steps. First, we'll clear the VLC cache safely to remove any stuck data, then adjust the playback settings to balance audio and video timing, and finally, we'll tweak hardware acceleration so your device can handle videos without stuttering. This method works on almost all Android devices, no technical knowledge required, and keeps your media files safe. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly which settings to change and how to fix the lag perfectly, leave a comment below and I'll guide you through on Rexist. Try this trick today and enjoy smooth, sync playback on VLC without any frustrating delays or audio mismatches.